Hello and welcome to Box, where we unbox, review and demonstrate the latest tech. I'm Trem and today I have with me the TP-Link Tapo 110 smart plug. Let's review.
Inspecting the box, you can see how small and compact the packaging is. On the box itself, it lists the features and benefits of the product, including energy monitoring, schedule and timer, voice control, remote control, away mode, and flame retardant. On the back, it has a QR code to find the TP-Link app on both Google Play Store and Apple Play Store, which you need to do to set up the smart plug. On the side, you can see the specs including size, working temperature, power supply, and more. In the actual box, you'll find the smart plug and instructions on how to set everything up. Opening up the box, the smart plug is compact and small, allowing you to plug into most outlets without worrying it will protrude or block the other plug. On the side, there is a switch. You can use this switch to switch it off manually. And finally, you can see the three-pronged plug on the back. Setting up the plug, you will see the Tapo 110 smart plug flash red. Once this happens, load up the app and follow the instructions. On the app, you'll have to add the device, choosing between the variety of TP-Link products. Tapo 110 smart plug, select plugs, and it's on there in the top left. Once selected, it should be flashing orange and green. Make sure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi you want your smart plug to work on. Once it's flashing, click the already orange and green button, which will then give you the option to turn on location. This helps with the sunset and sunrise scheduling option as it go off at a local time. For us, that's GMT. You'll then get a prompt to connect to the device. This may take a few seconds. Once connected, the app will confirm, and then once that's done, you have to select a Wi-Fi network you want your smart plug to work off. Once details are entered, it should connect and pair after a few seconds. It will then give you the option to give your device a name, and after that you'll then have a choice of what to name the custom location. For example, bedroom, hallway, kitchen, etc. Finally, you'll get a prompt to choose which icon you want for your Tapo device. A really nice addition as a visual signifier. We chose the plug as we felt it was most relevant. Finally, you'll get a firmware update, and once this has been installed, your smart plug is all ready to go. Additionally, you can enable it to do the auto updates during certain hours, so you don't have to worry about doing it manually yourself. To confirm this, make sure to check your plug, and if it's worked, it should be bright green when on, and when turned off, there shouldn't be a light at all. Now, to use the plug with an appliance, all you need to do is plug the appliance into the smart plug. From the app, you can now see that you can switch off the plug and with the power button in the bottom right corner. When it's on, it is highlighted, and when it's off, it isn't highlighted, which is really great to see. Here's the plug and app in action. Next, if you want to set up some schedules, there are some pre-made ones which you can use, including sunset and sunrise, as well as leave home, arrive home, and go to bed, which is always a great time saver. However, if you want to add your own custom automation, click the top right plus and it will give you the following options: add trigger, add action, and delay action. The trigger can be sunrise, sunset, if you've enabled a location, custom time, and you can select which days it will run. The action will then be shortcut, enable disable automation, and control a specific Tapo device. For us, we'll tell it to switch on the smart plug. Finally, name the automation name and it's all set up. Also, if you want to delay the action, because maybe you're running a bit late, you can do that as well with the delay action feature, up to a couple of hours, a minute, or maybe even a day. If you want to include family and friends on the app so they can control it, you can do with a simple invite via email. Once they've confirmed and set up a Tapo account themselves, they'll be able to switch off the relevant Tapo devices, including the smart plug. Finally, let's look at the third-party services that work with Tapo 110 smart plug. For us, I'll use the Amazon Alexa. Attempting to link the account, I ran into a few errors, but if this does happen, here's a tip. Go to the Amazon Alexa app and add new device, search for the TP-Link Tapo plug, and then install the Tapo app into Alexa. From there, Alexa will search for the device, and now you can use the Alexa with the smart plug. Here it is in action.
Alexa, turn off smart plug.
Okay.
Also features energy monitoring, which you can find on the TP-Link app, and helps you see how much energy you are spending on your various devices. Perfect for those looking to save money this winter. The TP-Link smart plug Tapo 110 is an excellent addition and does exactly what it says. It's a smart plug. It's incredibly easy to set up and took about 10 minutes, including download the various apps and pairing it with Alexa. With its selection of options on the TP-Link app, its compatibility with third-party apps like Google and Alexa, and its small and compact design, I feel it's a necessary accessory for any smart house. Overall, a must buy.
So that was the TP-Link Tapo 110. But what do you guys think at home? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure to drop us a like and maybe a subscribe. And if you want to get the latest deals and offers, make sure to check out Box.co.uk. I've been Trem, and I'll see you next time.